How to make money on YouTube with 0 subscriber in South Africa. At least 10,000 rand per month. Folks, the reason I'm making this video is I want to help this brother Imani and other people who are failing to monetize with their YouTube channel. This guy said he started his YouTube channel to make at least 10,000 rand per month, but it's not working for him and he want to change the niche and go to comedy. You might be in the same situation right now and you think YouTube channel is not working for you. The reason you think so is that you have not taken the right approach to start making money on YouTube and you are relying on YouTube views. In this video, you will learn how to make money on YouTube with 0 subscriber in South Africa. Before I start, let me help this brother. If you are watching this video, and I know you will, changing a niche is not a solution. Let me show you something. I hope it will make sense to you. Mark Angel Comedy is in the comedy and entertainment niche, the niche that you want to change to. This channel has 8 million subscribers. You can see how many views this channel is getting per day. The total of views this channel has is 1.85 billion. Mark Angel is currently one of the richest and the most influential comedian in Nigeria with an estimated net worth of $1.250 million. This calculation was drawn from his 2 YouTube channel, which has millions of subscribers, and his number use advert and endorsement deals. Let's see the niche that you are currently in. Kevin David has 1.4 million of subscribers. You can see how many views this channel get per day, less than Mark Angel Comedy, and the total views are almost 58 million views. Let's check Kevin David net worth. Kevin earned much of his fortune through online courses on e-commerce. According to Drip Digital, the entrepreneur has a net worth of $10 million to $20 million. Can you see the difference? One is a comedian and he relies on YouTube views, and the other is an online entrepreneur in the money making niche with few views compared to the comedian and is making a lot of money. We can see the difference between those 2 channels here. This is just to let you know that you can make money on YouTube even if you don't have any subscribers, but you have to take the right approach. Remember, comedy and entertainment niche does not pay much on YouTube than other niches. No matter how many views those comedy channels get, probably they will earn less with someone who is in the making money niche or a financial niche. I am Imani has 3.66k subscribers and it does not make 10,000 rand per month. And you can see my channel, I have less than 1k and I'm not qualified for the YouTube partner program yet, which means YouTube does not pay me. I need to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time for YouTube to start paying me. But I'm making more than 1,000 rand per month because I know how to monetize with my small YouTube channel. If I am Imani with 3.56k subscribers, I could be making under 1,000 per month, and it's not a bold claim. By the way, if it's your first time to my channel, my name is Frank Chanda. I'm a French speaker, I'm an online entrepreneur and internet marketer. I give tips and training on how to build a successful online business with internet and affiliate marketing. I also review other programs and video on this channel that claim to help people to make money online. Therefore, you need to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification next to it. Whenever I upload a new video, you will get my notification. You can also find all the links for everything that I mentioned in this video in the description box. Don't forget to check it out. One reason to subscribe to my channel is that you will never be broke again, but you need to take action and my channel will help you to avoid scam online. Before I start, folks, please like this video. It's just for the YouTube algorithm. If you like this video, it will motivate me to make more videos like this and help you folks to make money online. Now let me show you how you can make 10,000 rand per month on YouTube with 0 subscriber in South Africa. And if you follow the method that I'm going to show you now, you can be making a lot of money on YouTube. First of all, I did not say everyone must go in the making money niche, and for your information, is a very competitive niche. Just choose what you love. Even if you don't make money yet, you will continue making video because you love what you are doing. Think about your YouTube channel as a SABC that can reach many people in South Africa. I know SABC has a lot of viewers. People come to SABC to watch Generation, Muvango, and news. Some company pay SABC for advertisement because they know many people are watching SABC. YouTube make it easier for people to create their YouTube channel for free and start creating content that people are interested in, and your YouTube channel can reach many people in South Africa, even worldwide if you are targeting people from abroad. YouTube will place an ad within your video and share the ad revenue with you. To make money with YouTube, first you need to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time. And after that, you need to have a lot of views to make decent money. To make 10,000 rand per month, you need to have a lot of subscribers and also reach at least 500,000 views. And it's not a joke to make 500,000 views every month. What can you do if you don't have subscribers yet? You have to have something to sell on YouTube and create a video around the product that you are selling and look for keywords that have low competition. What is a keyword? The keyword is the way that you type on YouTube search engine. For example, you were typing how to make money on YouTube with 0 subscriber in South Africa and you find my video. You can also use tools like Tubebuddy. These tools can help you to plan, find the best keyword, analyze your competition and what video to make to get more views. If you don't have your own product to sell, you can sell other people's product through affiliate program. To find product to sell, you can simply go on Google and search your niche plus affiliate program. You'll find a lot of programs to sign up with and start promoting their product. For this program, you can earn up to $30 for every new sign up. Let's convert it to rand. It's almost 500 rand. You need to sell this program to 20 people to make 10,000 rand. The best way to make 10,000 rand per month is you need to sign up with an affiliate program that pays recurring commission. Which means if those 20 people sign up for an affiliate program like Netflix that has a monthly subscription, you will get paid every month 10,000 and your earnings will increase if people keep on signing up with the program. There are many programs and software that you can promote that pay recurring commission. Let me explain how affiliate marketing works. Let's say this is you and you have a passion of health and fitness. You're already doing it for fun. Now you want to make at least 10,000 rand out of it. You can sign up with different affiliate programs. In this example, I'm using Digistore24 and you will find different products to promote and you will get your affiliate link. This is a sort of ID that the product owner will track how many people click on that affiliate link and how many people buy from that affiliate link and pay you commission. What you have to do is to create video content around health and fitness and refer your viewers to this product by putting the link in the description. Once they click the link, it will redirect them to the product sale page, and once they buy the product, you will make a commission. That's how people make money online with affiliate marketing on YouTube. You can also review other products in the health and fitness niche and recommend your product that you are promoting as the best alternative. Reviews are the best way to make money online. People who are searching for reviews are in the buying mode. They are looking for more information, and if you tell them what your product does, and they will buy it. but do not be biased. Always give your honest opinion. If you want to understand more on how to make money online, you can sign up for my free 7-day email course and learn step by step on how to make money online from your bedroom. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more tips and training. Thank you for watching. Until next time.